Hello fellas, and I have the Milwaukee battery that was full charged and now it's the light blinking and the charger sure it's full but it's not charged after connecting it to the bad tool. So I will open it to check what can be wrong with it. This battery died for the second time when testing the tool. Sometimes that happens. Customers bring the bad tool for the repair. I'm putting the battery in and the battery is dead. And how it is, and now I can make a video on how to repair the Milwaukee battery. And of course, if you like videos I'm making or this video you see, just press thumbs up button and of course subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel. And what's wrong here? Let's check what we have, and as I was thinking, we have the fuse here, it was a plate bullet previous time. Now it's a soldering place, burn it out, so definitely I need to connect it back again. This time I will try to do that with a spot welding. Now I will try to remove the solder I have here. We have got the nickel plate to fit the place. I want to put it and I will try to spot weld it. Okay, as you can see it's too tiny. Okay, we'll try to do that again. Now in a little bit other way. Not seen the camera, I hope you've seen it. Okay, now I will press it here and spot weld it here. Take my spot welder closer. Okay. Seems to be good here. Just checking for the connection. Looks good. So now I will close it. I will close it and try to charge it. And after charging it, we have all 4 lights coming up. So we have repaired it again with that easy, simple fix. Thank you for watching. Don't forget thumbs up and subscribe.